Tired of scattered images slowing down your marketing game? Let's streamline your visual content by uploading images directly into Aisensy's media library. I'll walk you through each simple step. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the media or library section. It's usually located in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Now, look for the upload button. It's typically bright and easy to spot. Click on it to start the upload process. A file selection window will pop up. Browse your computer to find the image you want to upload to Aisensy. Once you found it, select the image and click Open or Choose. Aisensy will begin uploading your image. You might see a loading bar or a progress indicator showing the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your image will appear in the media library, and you'll see a preview of the uploaded image. You'll now be able to use this image in your marketing campaigns. Aisensy provides options to rename, delete, or use the image, ensuring your visuals are always on brand and ready for action. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an image to the Aisensy media library, and you can now use it to enhance your marketing messages and boost engagement. Elevate your brand with consistent visuals, and be sure to subscribe for more Aisensy tips.